Okay, here's part 2 of auditioning for this cat. Take 1. Here I go. Meow. Bit too deep. How about take 2? Meow. That sounds weird still. Take 3. Meow. Do it like that. Take 4. I'm gonna try to do something like that again. Meow. Okay, take 5. I'll try saying something like. Yeah, that would sound better in a high-pitched voice. Take 6, I think, yeah. Take 6, here I go. Ew, I am a little cat. No, don't use that one. Take 7. Ew, I am an Easter egg. Okay, meow. I'm just gonna do a bunch of different meows now. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Meowing noises. Meow, meow, meow. 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 Meow meow meow. 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 Okay, I'm gonna end that right there. Goodbye. Also, what the heck is this on my face? Oh, it's just part of the crown. It's very fancy. Nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna end this video right here. Rate just put the timestamp in the comments for whichever meow you liked the most and tell me why you liked it.